Galaxy S25 Ultra, expected to launch in January 2025, is rumored to feature a refreshed design with more rounded corners and smoother edges. This new look is complemented by updated software tailored to enhance the design. Additionally, the redesign is said to optimize the screen size and reduce the bezels on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to a claim by the typically reliable tipster Ice Universe, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature a narrower body despite having a larger screen. The device is expected to have a 77.6mm wide body and a 6.86-inch screen, compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 79mm wide body and 6.79-inch screen. This design choice allows Samsung to provide a bigger screen and a slimmer body, offering a win-win situation for consumers. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's 6.8-inch screen has bezels measuring 3.35mm, while the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its reported 6.9-inch screen, features 2.3mm bezels. This results in bezels that are 31% thinner, enhancing the phone's ergonomics and making it more comfortable to hold for extended periods. The design of the Galaxy S25 has been largely unknown until now. However, we now have our first glimpse of the possible front design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared an image on X, suggesting that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a design with slightly rounded corners. This would be a departure from the sharp corners of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. If this information is accurate, the rounded corners seem like a practical improvement, making the phone more comfortable to hold. The tipster also shared an image comparing the front design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra to that of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It looks like Samsung's next flagship will retain the same screen size as its current model, with a similar screen aspect ratio to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to the renowned Samsung leakster, Ice Universe, it is confirmed that the S25 Ultra will feature a much more rounded design, similar to the Galaxy Note 7. Despite the Note 7's infamous battery issues, its comfortable and well-designed form factor was highly praised. The S25 Ultra will bring back this spirit with its rounded design, making it more user-friendly while maintaining the design language of the S24 Ultra. What's truly record-breaking about this design is its thickness. Ice Universe reports that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a body thickness of just 8.4mm, the thinnest for any Samsung Ultra model. For comparison, the S24 Ultra is 8.6mm thick. Impressively, the S25 Ultra will still include a built-in S Pen despite this thin design. In addition to design changes, there's another major rumor regarding the S25 series. Instead of using Qualcomm or Exynos chips, Samsung might implement MediaTek chips for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. This move is due to the anticipated price hike for Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. Samsung is considering MediaTek chips as a backup if there are production issues with their Exynos 2500 chips. MediaTek's flagship chips are competitive with Qualcomm's and outperform Samsung's Exynos chips. However, the S25 Ultra will exclusively feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. Furthermore, the S25 Ultra will see two major camera upgrades, a new 3x 50-megapixel telephoto lens and a much-anticipated ultra-wide-angle lens with a 50-megapixel resolution. This exciting news sets high expectations for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. What are your thoughts on these changes? Let me know in the comments below. Peace out.